bringing other people in, and we can't hear them because their mics are too loud.
Oh, good to know.
I don't know if we made it though, because the fact is, so with City Hall here, we made it.
Challenge, second bidder can't handle these tasks. So convey my concerns to our engineers and Kent County and contractors. So hopefully we can get this resolved and then we can start working. Lowell Arts is currently started in the middle of their mural crowdfunding campaign, and I believe they're doing it in July. So for information, there's website if you want to donate to that. We've also put it on our website also. We will have on July 5th, we will have a work session to discuss water and sewer rates. Continuing our conversation with Warren Kramer. That'll be at 5 p.m. And on Monday, and then we'll obviously have our meeting shortly after that at 7 o'clock. On August 3rd, we're asking for another work session to discuss police staff. We need to have a conversation with staffing. We need more officers. We obviously don't have the money for it. So we need to have a conversation about that and figure out what we might be able to do. We had a museum repair. We had to replace the air conditioning at the museum. So we did split the cost with the Lowell Historical Museum, and they're working on that. I believe they worked on that last week. We are going to have a mayor's exchange with the City of Eaton Rapids. We are going to go there September 15th. And then they're going to come here on September 29th, and I'll give you more information once we get it. And then lastly, the Lowell Community Foundation did give a grant to the Historic District for commission for $30,000 for facade. So that's all I have.
All right. Any questions? All right. We'll move to citizen comments before we go down the agenda. Yep, line up there, name and address.
Yes. Well, they're fine.
All right, go ahead, sorry.
This is Josh Lehman, I'm a pastor at Lowell City Church here in town. Some of you know me from the past. I work in continued concerns with what goes on down at the Pride event every year here on the first Saturday of June. I'm going to start with the Bible verse. Matthew 18, verse 6 says, "But whoso shall offend one of these little ones which believe in me, it were better for him that a millstone were hanged about his neck, and that he were drowned in the depth of the sea." I'm going to read this so I stay on track tonight. I know there's a lot going on. It concerns me that the City of Lowell continues to allow Pride to have an organized event on public property with children present, knowing full well the profanity and sexual lewdness that goes on every year at the event. I was witness again this year to men dressed in immodest women's apparel, reading books to little children with the intent to groom them to cross-dress and other sexual perversions. One coloring book advertised from the state was vulgar enough that the titles on the pages could not be read aloud.
I'm going to stop your time.
This is our city. If you're denying people that is a violation, and we're over capacity, you're not allowed to do it. There should be enough space so that we can all. Has a number here, so to call the meeting.
Good pictures.
Oh, it's live streaming.
Oh, good.
Perfect.
Good. Wonderful, Nicole.
We can use it in court. And that's badge number 137, Stephen.
Oh, I'm sorry.
They're just here to make sure no one's right.
That's the cheetah.
Yep.
They were walking in after me, and I was here later. So yes, they did follow us here.
Because no one else is talking. I don't think this will be a conference. Join the club, Duker.
My shirt.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're violating. No, they're not. No, I know. Oh, I'm saying, that's what I was saying.
Wait.
Guilty of a misdemeanor on trial, $50 ticket. And may face a fine of $2,000.
Yep. All right, well, we are way over capacity. We've completed business, so unfortunately, we're going to have to cancel and adjourn the rest of this meeting. We will, if the public comment period needs to happen, we will be looking for a larger venue to host our next meeting. So.
We were here on Monday, June 1st. We joined us in community. We just want to give a quick thank you to Eric Marcus for coming out last Monday to the Township. If you aren't able to come to us, we will continue to come to you. Thank you.
Thank you to our law enforcement for keeping us safe. Thank you for law enforcement. We appreciate you. Hey, everybody.
We adjourned the meeting. Did they?
Can you finish what he was saying?
No, he can't.
Wish you all cared as much about cross-dressing.
Wait, I did not hear an adjournment. I did not hear any motions. Wait, this meeting has not been officially adjourned. Can someone make a motion and second it so it can actually be recorded by...
That'd be great. We appreciate that. Awesome. Thank you.
Where'd you get your pen?
Yes, and Melissa, I went up and made sure that they did, and it's on live.
They weren't sitting in their chairs, so they tried to.
Yes, but I had it right at them. So
Good job. Definitely subscribing.
thank you.
Good job, everybody.
Woohoo! This is what happens when community listens to you know.
I was out Friday to Sunday, 16 hours a day.
Thanks, yeah. 1 hour, was it like 1 hour a year? Is that what you were saying?
Yeah, they're full of shit. It's crazy.
You know, the thing is, like, I used to so it's like people who used to smoke, basically.
Yep.